Hi beautiful people, how are you? My very good name is Christabel and this is my YouTube channel, Doing Life with Chris. If you're new here, grab a chair. This is what we do. We grow, we experience life, we navigate life, and we have fun in the kitchen and beyond, because that's what's up. Thank you for the gang, for the people that have been here since I don't know when. Thank you so much. I want to make a very quick dinner. It will be a very easy and very light dinner, because when a girl is tired, I cannot stand being here for another hour. Today we are going to have cheese burgers. It also has the patty. So I guess it is beef burgers with cheese on them. And today we are having the burgers with some lemonade. Here I have cucumbers. I am using cucumbers today. Ordinarily I use lettuce, but I was not able to get lettuce today, so I went with cucumbers. They're so refreshing, they're so juicy, they're just everything. So I am actually happy with the choice because it's so hot. We need some refreshment, you guys. And then here we have our burger buns. Today they are on the smaller side. I don't know whether you're going to be filled by one, but one is all there is. So I mean, such is life. And then we have our myriad of spices. I am going in with garlic powder, onion powder, this is thyme, this is parsley, this is garam masala, and ginger powder. Did I forget you? All right, introduce yourself. And I'm sorry.
My name is Fabian in short form, and I'm Christabel's son.
Ebu, give me a 5. Can you tell us what this is?
It's burger cheese, 12 slices.
These are cheese slices that you use for burgers. Yeah, and I think this packet went for 650. It's not see my guys, but with this one we can use it for 2 times, so give or take 350 per meal, which makes it a bit affordable. Then I have my ACV, my apple cider vinegar. You can use your regular white vinegar. And then I had already prepped my onions. Today I have decided to make my burger onions the same way I make my hot dog onions. That video is already up on my channel, so please click on it and watch how I make my onions. And that is how I'm going to make today's onions, and I'm sure they are going to make our burgers juicy and absolutely A-list. Then here I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have tomatoes, and then I also have margarine here. And then of course there's the beef, which I'm going to, the ground beef, which I will be making my patties, my beef patties out of. What else have I not introduced? Yes?
You forgot that you're using the double-sided pan.
Oh yes, and I'm going to be using the double-sided pan. Don't worry, if you do not have it, you can just use a regular pan. I am just a bit extra because I like seeing my grill marks. And then on this side, I have already prepared my ingredients for our drink, which is the lemonade. And here I have what, Fabian?
Lemon water.
Yes, this is lemon juice, and here I have already prepared my simple syrup. I added a little bit of mint. I have fresh mint in my garden. So I want to do this very fast before the baby decides that it's time to wake up. This is about 3 cups. It's time to pull out the big guns, as Fabian is saying.
GOAT.
Right, so here we have our beef. To this beef, I'm going to add my oil, my salt. You really need to go heavy on the flavor, because you know ground beef can be a bit blah, and it's just onion powder. I'm just going to eyeball it. Garam masala, garlic powder, parsley. Oh my goodness, I just ran out of time. So thyme as in the herb. Give this a really good mix. For best results, by the way, when you mix in your spices, give the beef some time to absorb the spices. If you have time, even 30 minutes. If you do not have time, give it about 10 to 15 minutes. think I like cooking. It's very relaxing.
No, the meat.
No, cooking. Cooking is an experience.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like
Yep, you can. So the next thing is buttering this.
our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
So we move to the stove and make our onions.
Flour. Put the onion. Chukua.
Tomatoes.
Chukua.
Amekula cucumber na akuli, anachukua tu anatupa. Who wants to put their sauce in theirs? Ama mtakula tu hivi?
Mimi nitakula yangu hivi tu.